So for this one, we will input the formula equals V2 minus open parenthesis T2 again asterisk E2 then close parenthesis enter and suggested autofill. So for this one, we just entered Sunif V2 to V214 banana G2 to G214 and we got the answer. So for this one, we input the Sunifs G2 to G214 C2 to C214 then fruit F2 to F214 then France. So for this, the total amount of vegetables, we just enter the Sunifs G2 to G214 C2 to C214 vegetables F2 to F214 and the United States. For this United Kingdom, we will input equals then Sunifs then G2 to G214 and then C2 to C214 and then vegetables just input the small vegetables and then F2 to F214 then United Kingdom then close parenthesis enter. Wait, oh my god, I think we messed up. G2 to G214 C2 to C214 and the vegetables F2 to F214 and United Kingdom. I think we messed up in the formula. Yes. I think we messed up. I think I messed up. Ah, okay. Here. Enter. That's it. Then we're not then suggested autofill. I think no. Then Canada. Enter. Then this. Ano po, papalitan lang natin yung sa may city or sa may state. For this po, Germany. Lalagay natin Germany. Then enter. Then this one naman po. Interpret natin yung answer. And then, we will interpret this as a chart, bar chart. Insert and then chart. We will chart style. No, we will put the bar chart. Then that's it. X. Just put our chart here. Here in the box. kasyahin lang po natin yung chart natin sa may box. Then that's it. So for this one, find the 5 types of quartile numbers of the amount column. Lalagay lang po natin yung 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So dito naman po, lalagay natin yung pinaka-formula niya. Equals quartile and dollar sign dollar sign 2 and dollar sign D dollar sign 214, then I 34 close parenthesis enter. Then just suggest the autofill. That's it.